Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the noise cancellation of your Bowers and Wilkins headphones. That's, by the way, the PX7 model, and to do this you just have to open the menu with all functions. And we got two methods. The first one, to turn on the noise cancellation or just turn off, you have to use the switcher, and here we can set the level of the noise cancellation by using this simple presets. But also we can do this without the application. When you have your headphones, you have to take a look for the left one, and when you click on this button, take a look, the modes has changed. Each time you click, it will change, and also we can just turn it off or turn it on. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.